Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Right, listen up you lot. Tired of the same old sad desk lunches and last-minute takeaway dinners? We're about to change that. This isn't some master chef nightmare. We're talking proper simple meal prep everybody could manage. We've got 4 bloody brilliant recipes that'll have you prepped for the entire week. No more excuses for shoveling down rubbish when you're busy. We're talking delicious, nutritious food ready to rock when you are. So sharpen your knives, get those chopping boards out, and let's get prepped like the pros we are. First up, we're tackling breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, and we're going to make sure you start your day off right. None of that sugary cereal rubbish. We're talking overnight oats. This is a game changer for your morning routine. It's dead simple, even if you've got the culinary skills of a toddler. Trust me, if you can stir, you can make this. Grab yourself a jar, any jar will do. Mason jars are great, but don't stress if you don't have one. Now chuck in your oats, a good handful will do. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and will keep you feeling full. Then we need some liquid. Almond milk is what we're after here. It's creamy, delicious, and dairy-free. Don't even think about using that nasty UHT stuff. Fresh is best, and your taste buds will thank you. Next, a spoonful of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Yeah, you heard me right, chia seeds. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They're packed full of good stuff, not like those sugary cereals you're so fond of. Make the switch, your body will thank you. Give it a good stir, make sure everything's combined. This step is crucial to ensure all the flavors meld together. Now pop a lid on that jar and bung it in the fridge. Let it sit overnight, or at least a few hours. Leave it overnight, or at least a few hours, to let those oats soak up all that goodness. The longer it sits, the creamier it gets. In the morning, you're in for a treat. No more rushing around trying to figure out what to eat. Top it with whatever you fancy. Fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, a drizzle of honey, you decide. The possibilities are endless. This isn't just some fancy breakfast. It's packed with fiber and those omega-3s everyone's banging on about. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Keeps you full, keeps you focused, and sets you up for the day. You'll be ready to tackle whatever comes your way. No more excuses for skipping breakfast, you hear? With overnight oats, you're always prepared. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. So give it a try and start your day like a champion. Right lunch. No more soggy sandwiches or greasy takeaways. We're having grilled chicken salad packed with protein and flavor. First, fire up that grill. We need some chicken breasts, seasoned with a good pinch of salt and pepper. Grill them until they're cooked through, nice and juicy. None of that dry, overcooked nonsense. While the chicken's grilling, let's prep our veggies. Chop up some lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, whatever you fancy. Red onion adds a nice bit of bite. Now for the dressing. This is what elevates our salad from average to amazing. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice, a drizzle of honey, and a good glug of olive oil. Whisk it all together until it's nicely combined. Chicken's done? Good. Let it rest for a bit, then slice it up. Now toss your veggies with the dressing. Pile on that chicken, and you've got yourself a lunch fit for a king. High in protein, low in carbs, this salad will keep you going all afternoon. No more that 3 p.m. slump for you. Chapter 3. One-pan salmon. Dinner just got easier. Dinner time, and we're keeping it simple with a one-pan wonder. Imagine coming home after a long day, and instead of stressing over multiple pots and pans, you have a single, easy-to-make dish that brings everyone to the table. Salmon and veggies all cooked together in one glorious tray. This method not only saves time, but also ensures that all the flavors meld together beautifully. Minimal washing up, maximum flavor. Who wouldn't love that? Less time spent cleaning means more time enjoying your meal and relaxing afterward. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for cooking the salmon evenly while allowing the vegetables to become tender and slightly caramelized. Now grab a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper. This step is crucial as it prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. No sticking allowed in this kitchen. Parchment paper is a game changer, ensuring that your food lifts off easily without leaving any residue behind. Next, our star of the show, salmon fillets. Salmon is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your health. Give them a good pat down with some paper towels. This step is essential to remove excess moisture, which helps the salmon to crisp up nicely in the oven. We want them dry, so they crisp up nicely in the oven. Now for the veggies. The combination of crispy salmon and tender vegetables is what makes this dish so special. Chop up some broccoli florets, bell peppers, maybe some zucchini. Feel free to mix and match your favorite vegetables. The more colorful, the better. Toss them with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the vegetables without overpowering them. Arrange your salmon fillets on the baking sheet, making sure they have enough space to cook evenly. Then scatter those veggies around them. This arrangement allows the juices from the salmon to infuse the vegetables, adding an extra layer of flavor. Now for the magic touch. Butter and garlic are a classic combination that never fails to elevate a dish. Melt some butter with a good dollop of minced garlic. The aroma alone will make your mouth water. Drizzle this heavenly mixture over your salmon and veggies. This step ensures that every bite is packed with rich, buttery, garlicky goodness. Slide that tray into the oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and the veggies are tender. Keep an eye on it to make sure everything cooks perfectly, or until the salmon is cooked through and the veggies are tender. The salmon should flake easily with a fork, and the vegetables should be soft but not mushy. There you have it, a complete meal in one pan. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? A nutritious, delicious dinner with minimal effort. Salmon's packed with those brain-boosting omega-3s, which are essential for maintaining heart health and cognitive function. And the veggies provide a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. They are crucial for overall well-being, supporting everything from your immune system to your skin health. Who said healthy eating had to be difficult? With this one-pan salmon dish, you get the best of both worlds, simplicity and nutrition. Enjoy your meal and the extra time you have to spend with your loved ones. Chapter 4, Energy Bites Snack Attack Solution. Welcome to a delicious and healthy way to curb those snack cravings. Listen, we all get those snack cravings. You know, the ones that hit you in the middle of the afternoon or late at night when you're watching your favorite show. But instead of reaching for those processed, sugary snacks that leave you feeling sluggish and guilty, we're making our own energy bites. These little powerhouses are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They're quick, easy, and packed with good stuff. Perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle who still wants to eat healthily. Grab a bowl and chuck in your oats. Oats are a fantastic base for our energy bites because they are full of fiber and help keep you full longer. Rolled oats are what we're after here. Next, some peanut butter. Peanut butter adds a creamy texture and is a great source of protein and healthy fats. The good stuff, none of that artificial rubbish. Always go for natural peanut butter to avoid added sugars and unhealthy fats. Now for a touch of sweetness. We're using chocolate chips, but not just any chocolate chips. Opt for dark chocolate chips for an antioxidant boost. But feel free to get creative with chopped dates, dried cranberries, or any dried fruit you love. These add natural sweetness and extra nutrients. Mix it all together until it's well combined. This is where the magic happens, as all the flavors meld together. Now get your hands dirty and roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. This part is fun and a great activity to do with kids. Don't worry about making them perfectly round, we're not judging here. The rustic look adds to their homemade charm. Once you've rolled all your energy bites, pop them on a plate or tray lined with parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Now, into the fridge, they go to chill for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps them firm up and hold their shape. This will help them firm up. You'll notice the texture changes, making them easier to handle and more enjoyable to eat. There you have it, energy bites that are perfect for a quick snack or a post-workout treat. They're convenient to take on the go, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a hike. They're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you going. These nutrients work together to provide sustained energy and keep hunger at bay. And the best part? No baking required. This means less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious homemade snacks. So next time you feel a snack attack coming on, reach for these energy bites and fuel your body the right way. There you have it, you lot. 4 easy recipes that'll have you prepped for the week ahead. No more excuses for unhealthy choices, even when you're busier than a one-armed dishwasher. Remember, meal prep is all about making life easier and healthier. Get organized, get creative, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Now go forth and conquer your meal prep like the kitchen ninjas you are. Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.